Hi everyone, this is Diana from Sweet and Savory, and today we're going to be making a refreshing, creamy cucumber salad made with a delicious sour cream dressing that you can serve with your favorite meals all summer long. I'm going to leave you the link for the recipe in the comment section, but you could also find it at sweetysalado.com/en. We're going to start by making that delicious sour cream dressing. So in a small bowl, we're going to add sour cream. We're also going to add a small amount of mayonnaise. This is optional, but I love the flavor of mayonnaise in this dressing. Then a small amount of red wine vinegar. You can also use regular vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Fresh dill, which goes great with the cucumbers. Garlic powder for a little bit of flavor. You can also use fresh chopped garlic. A small amount of white sugar to balance everything out. And then we're going to season with salt and pepper to taste. Then using a whisk or a spatula, we're going to mix everything well, and then we're going to set the dressing aside. For the cucumbers, we're going to be using English cucumbers that we're going to cut into thin slices. And we're using these cucumbers because you don't have to peel them. The seeds are smaller and not bitter, and they're a little bit sweet. But if you have regular cucumbers, you can use those as well. We're also going to be adding sliced red onion, and if you want to get rid of that strong onion flavor, all you have to do is soak it in water for about 5 minutes, and that should take care of that. Once the cucumbers and the red onion are cut into thin slices, we're going to add the dressing that we set aside. And then using a large spatula, we're going to carefully toss everything well to make sure that the cucumbers and the red onion are covered with the dressing. Also, don't forget to get that dressing that seeps into the bottom of the bowl. Once everything's well mixed, you can serve the salad right away. This salad is best when you serve it as soon as you make it, but if you need to, you can refrigerate it for a couple hours. And that's your recipe for making a refreshing and delicious creamy cucumber salad.